Hi guys, I'm Deborah. 2 months ago, Realme have launched two devices which are Realme 7 and Realme 7 Pro. Here's the latest device from the company. Ta-da! The Realme 7 5G. So what are the differences by comparing with the previous model? Let's check out with me. First thing first, from the name, Realme 7 5G. You definitely know this gonna support the 5G connectivity. As we know, for now, Malaysia did not have 5G connectivity, but who cares? It definitely will come in one day and we can just prepare the 5G smartphone and welcome it. First, we talk about the design. It comes with an AG split design, which you can see is a reflective glossy back cover and a big Realme logo here. But yet, it still attracts a little bit of fingerprint stain, which is okay for me. It also comes with two color variants, which are flash silver and mist blue. Personally, I think this color is kind of stylish, nice and premium. If you wish to buy this device and you are not really into the color, I guess you can get a nice phone casing. On the other hand, it also comes with an AI quad camera setup, which is the same with the Realme 7 Pro. But this time, it is come with an 48 megapixel main camera. As for the other lens, three cameras remain the same: 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel black and white lens, and 2 megapixel macro lens. It also can support up to 4K video recording and 60 frames per second. To add on, it also has cinema mode, UIS Max video stabilization, ultra wide angle video features. Back to the front, it remains a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. On the top left display here, we can find an in-display selfie snapper that comes with a 16 megapixel that supports 1080p and 30 frames per second. For what the company has upgraded is the device can support up to 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz of sampling rate. So for the gaming experience, I think it's more enjoyable. You can find a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And this is very useful during this pandemic period. By the way, it is very nice to hold as well. As for the chipset, they have upgraded to a MediaTek Dimensity 800U 5G chipset, and it can support a dual 5G SIM. As for the ROM and RAM, it remains the same: 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and 30W dart charge. In 26 minutes, it can charge up to 50% battery, so you can just leave your power bank behind, which it is maintained the same with the Realme 7. For the people who like to watch videos on YouTube, it can stay up to 17 hours. Besides that, the company claimed that 5% of battery can stand by up to 38 hours. By comparing with the previous model, I would say that the Realme 7 5G have upgraded the chipset, refresh rate, and 5G connectivity. But if you want to know what I dislike about the phone, I would say it's the camera, because it comes with a 48 megapixel main camera, which is a big matter to me. As for the price, you can refer here. That's it for today. Don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah. Goodbye. Don't miss me. Bye.